Welcome back to our 30th web programming tutorial. Now, in this video, it's gotten to the point where we kind of need to start moving on from CSS. So, over the next 4 or 5 videos, I'll be finishing up with what we're going to cover in CSS. Now, it won't be everything. It'll be the major aspects of it. So, something that if you are building a web page, you'll need to know. And some of you might be building specialized web pages, and those are the ones where you might need to do a little bit extra research. And I find that W3 Schools helps if you're having any issues with finding out something that you need to do. But we've covered pretty much everything that you'll need for a basic to more intermediate understanding of CSS and HTML, and I believe it's time that we move on to something like JavaScript. So with that being said, we'll finish off our about 5 more tutorials of CSS, and the first one will start right now. So what I want you to do is I want you to type in A and link, and I want the color to be white. Now I'm going to save this and I'll just show you what it does. Now, if we look at this page, we've got white text up here, and now we've got a white text down here on the Contact Us. So this is our little Contact Us link that we've used a few times. Well, we haven't actually clicked on it before, and that's why it's turning up as white. Now, what we're going to do over the remainder of this tutorial is we're going to cover what we can do to modify links, or, well, the anchors and the different states an anchor can actually be in. So the second one we're going to cover is we're going to cover what happens when we hover over a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do background color as red, because it's going to be pretty prominent on a purple background, and then we're also going to do the color as black, because again they're going to be pretty prominent to show up. And then we're going to do text decoration, and we want it underlined, but we use the command underline. So that's what we're going to do now. So we'll save this and we'll run index again, and so nothing's really changed, but if we go over it, there we go. Now that's what happens when we hover over it. We see that the about page pops up, the table, whatever we hover over will become red and the text will become black. So that shows a little bit of a change, but we can still do more. So we've also got an active link. So we can do active, and basically all I want to do is I want to do font, weight, and I want it to be bold. So just something pretty strong, and we'll save this here and we'll run it out again. And now we've got that. So what happens if we click on it? There we go. We see the little text has become a bit bold, and that's how the changes come about. That's all we're doing in that instance. It's probably not the most noticeable thing. So in fact, we'll change the color. We'll also change the color to green. Save and run it again. So once we click on it, it goes green and bold. And the last thing that we're going to do in this video is we're going to change what happens for a visited link. So we type in a visited, and then we want the color to be grey. That's the right way to spell it. And there we go. So now we've changed the visited links to grey. So that's really, again, uncomfortable to read, but that's what we've done. We've changed all our little stuff around. We've changed what our anchor looks like in general. I'm going to get rid of, well, I probably should have covered that up at the end, but I'm going to get rid of the color grey for visited. I like the default value, and that's that's all we're going to cover in this video. I'm sorry about the length of it. I still do like the purple on the background and purple in the visited links. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.